How's it going, guys? My name's Rami. Welcome back to yet another awesome video. This is RQ's Garage. I really hope you're excited for this one.
This company called Auxito reached out to me to work with them on installing these high beam bulbs on my car.
They're coming in with some incredible high beams for my 2011 Mercedes-Benz E-350. As you can see, right now we have the regular headlights on for my Mercedes-Benz E-350. They're not too shabby. And then we just have some daytime running lights in that middle section. And they're both, well, I didn't realize that. They're both different shades. We can see what it's like with the high beams on. It's pretty intense in the camera shot, but of course, that's what they're meant to do. So today, Auxito blessed me with some LED high beam bulbs that we're gonna try out and put into this Mercedes. I'm really excited to give them a try, but first, let's drive this car and see what the visibility looks like to get a before and after shot. I love products like this, and I'm excited to give it a try. It's really snowy out here in Ohio. We got about a foot of snow, but we're here, we're back, we're giving you content. Let's get after it. So here we are driving with the regular lights on. We'll turn on the high beams right now. Clearly we have better visibility. As you can see, it is really bad here in Ohio, but the roads are fine and the lights aren't doing too bad. So these are just regular halogen bulbs with the high beams on, driving in my neighborhood, but it's decent, it's good. But I'm really excited to try out these Auxito Light LED bulbs. They are really efficient. They're actually offering a lot more visibility and a lot more light emitted. So let's get back, let's install them, and let's give them a try. Here are the bulbs that we are working on today. These are the Auxito Light LEDs. They specialize in high performance LED bulbs for cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. They claim to offer improved visibility and a sleek look, which is perfect for upgrading my ride. This package includes 2 of these bulbs, some paperwork, and it's pretty straightforward. So let's get after it. Let's install these new bulbs. Awesome. Now that we got the bulb housing out, I think it's just a really simple pull. Yep, we popped this bad boy right off. It's just got 2 little gator clips on them. And let's get the new LED bulb in. Go. And they're in. Then we'll easily just fish our hands back in. Just to give you a better visual, there is the high beam right there. There's a tab on the left and a tab on the right. And you're just gonna have to twist till those tabs pop off. See, just like that. There's the old bulb, just like that. The new bulb is on. I mean, this is probably the easiest job I've ever done. These things look pretty good too. Let's get these guys installed. Could not be any easier. Such a simple job. Finally, let's put these covers back on. Cool. We're ready. All right, guys, here's the moment of truth. Let's see how good these new bulbs are. Wow. Holy bananas. And yeah, you're seeing this through the camera, but in real life, these things are so much brighter. It's very impressive. And their beams are very direct. I mean, I know exactly where I'm going. They are super bright. That is absolutely impressive. The Auxito LED bulbs really are something else.
And here's a side-by-side comparison of both the halogen and the LED bulb from Auxito. And the Auxito LED bulb gives you a clearer path, better direction, and it just bounces off the snow and all the objects way better. It's a clearly big difference in an upgrade, and it really helps my visibility when I'm driving. So it's a good comparison to see both sides.
Even for a 13-year-old car, putting some new LED bulbs changes everything. And woo! Look at that, off, on. Look how freaking bright that is. I really, really like this upgrade on my 2011 Mercedes-Benz E-350. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. If you really wanted to get these bulbs and you enjoyed this video, there is a link in the description below, and that'll give you 15% off your purchase on this LED bulb. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. It is absolutely freezing here in the Midwest. I can't wait to get back in my house and get warm. Woo! Woo! This was super fun to make, and I want to give a special thanks for Auxito for helping me upgrade my Mercedes. I think this was a plus upgrade. It took about 2 minutes, not even. Really simple, really easy, and I recommend. I love you guys. I'm Rami. This is RQ's Garage. We'll see you on the next one.